Hello, welcome again. We are solving elementary mathematics paper of year 2024 of CDS 1 exam. Question number 42 is let the positive numbers A1, A2, A3 up to A3 and B in GP. If P is the GM of A1, A2, A3 up to AN and Q is the GM of AN plus 1, AN plus 2, AN plus 3 up to A3N, then what is the GM of 3N numbers? Option A P square Q, option B P Q square, option C root PQ, option D P raised power 1 by 3 Q raised power 2 by 3. So here P is GM of A1, A2, A3 up to AN term, or P can be written as A n time root A1 into A2 up to AN, okay, like that. So now if we take n power both sides, then P raised power n will be equal to A1 into A2 into A3 up to AN, like that. Similarly, Q is the GM of AN plus 1, AN plus 2, AN plus 3 up to A3N. So these are 2n terms. So Q can be written as 2n time root AN plus 1 into AN plus 2 into AN plus 3 up to A3N, or taking power both sides Q of raised power 2n, so it will be Q raised power 2n is equal to AN plus 1 into AN plus 2 into up to A3N. So now we have to find out the GM of A1 into A2 up to A3N. So these are the product of P raised power n and Q raised power 2n. Okay, so as we have to total they make 3n terms, so required GM will be multiplication of all these raised power 1 by 3n, and up to this is Pn, and up to starting from an plus 1 to A3n, it is Q raised power 2n. So it will be a P raised power 1 by 3 into Q raised power 2 by 3. So answer is option B.